It's the west side hustlers versus these LA pigs. You can say the dance burst the knee. My little homies in the dugout, they looking sad, cause 14 niggas done struck out. My first offense was possession of weed, and now I'm in the major leagues. And that motherfucker Bill Clinton is a son of a bitch. Had the nerve to throw out the first pitch. I'm just trying to get rich like Trump. 1, 2, 3 strikes, you win. Now how the fuck the niggas supposed to stay out the pen? I'm on the plan, a 10 in here every day of my life. With 2 strikes, it ain't right. You know who did it? If they lock me up, you know who did it? If they spare my name, you know who did it? If they kill my gang, you know who did it?
Motherfucking balls, niggas spelling the villain, we make them villains. The president be begging to kill us. Dope dealers in the feds, bitches fucking my head. Niggas dying over colors, niggas blue in the red. What red gotta do to expose your ass? Gay bitches on the mic, homie making me mad. Really, who fucking with red? I don't give a fuck how many books you been in, I'm a fucking veteran. R-E-N, niggas know what it means. V-I-L-L, homie sell the scene. I'm with that nigga Big Rock, homie bumping the green. I'm sick of bitches always asking why I look mean. We got fucked up schools, fucked up schools. Nobody give a fuck about the niggas no more. Then they got the nerve to ask for this vote. This for motherfuckers growing up in the ghetto.
1, 2, 3 strikes, you win. Now how the fuck the niggas supposed to stay out the pen? I'm on the plan, a 10 in here every day of my life. With 2 strikes, it ain't right. You know who did it? If they lock me up, you know who did it? If they spare my name, you know who did it? If they kill my gang, you know who did it?
My unit is gorilla. Fuck with my life familiar, I will kill you. I know that boy not familiar, but you got to feel him. If the doctor sealed them, without a doubt, I'm the rapper with clout. Other niggas yap about. You know the one that introduced New York to the beach cruise and got them putting red and blue strings in their G units. Get groupie love, tell them to keep moving. If I got a problem with a bitch, I let Eve do it. Unless she got on a pearl and I can see through it. I don't just let her ride, I give her the keys to it. Me and my bitch lay back in the coupe. I'm moving in the neighborhood, I ain't passing through. I would've been here after Snoop, but I slowed down to show Timberland how to iron a khaki suit. You got a big
1, 2, 3 strikes, you win. Now how the fuck the niggas supposed to stay out the pen? I'm on the plan, a 10 in here every day of my life. With 2 strikes, it ain't right. You know who did it? No. If I ride tonight, you know who did it? No. If they check me up, you know who did it? Don't care. If they check my nuts, you know who did it? If they break my bank, you know who did it? If they pull my rank, you know who did it? If they suck me up, you know who did it? If they lock me up, you know who did it? If they spare my name, you know who did it? If they kill my gang, you know who did it? Remember me? You know who did it? You know who did it? You know my name. You know my name. You know my name. You know my name.
West Coast, California zone.
You're now in the mix with DJ Mimo.
You first to blast, nigga. And you know how we do it on the west side, nigga.
I want no problems, y'all. Fuck around and pull out the problem song. Okay. You want no problems, y'all. 9 times out of 10, you hoes involved. I spend my time watching bitches behind, thinking bad shit in the back of my mind.
DJ Mimo.
Above the ground with nothing less than a dime, making movie money. You still investing in rhymes, and I'm in this beer. With $100 bill, y'all. About to spin this bitch. I'm in this beer. I got
your angles, I will bang and mangle you. You like R&B,